Mechanical engineering is an engineering branch that combines engineering physics and mathematics principles with material science to design, analyze, manufacture, and maintain mechanical systems. It is one of the oldest and broadest of the engineering branches. The mechanical engineering field requires an understanding of core areas including mechanics, dynamics, thermodynamics, material science, structural analysis, and electricity. Today, mechanical engineers are pursuing development in such areas as such composites, mechatronics, and nanotechnology. It also overlaps with aerospace engineering, metallurgical engineering, civil engineering, electrical, manufacturing, chemical, industrial, and other engineering disciplines. In this section, we will deal with certain important questions pertaining to basic mechanical engineering. As such, what is torque? What is latent heat? What is limiting friction? What are manometers? And many more.